Process to fix the DXGI error device removed error on Node 3 is quite easy and simple. So basically, you simply go to search and here type in for registry editor and allow it to open. And once this is open, you need to go to the description and you would see this path there. So basically, it is an issue of the graphics driver. So just go and copy this and here go to the top. Here you can simply paste it and hit enter. So this would open up. Once this is open, you need to right click and in the new, here you can see D word 32-bit value. And this will create a new value. And once this value is created, you need to name it TdrLevel. It is simple, TdrLevel. So once you have done so, just go and hit enter. Now double click to open it and make sure this value is 0. And okay. So once you have done so, you need to simply go and close it and simply go and restart your computer. And once you do so, your issue should be fixed. I hope this video has helped you out. Please like the video.